10,000 hours later, and I'm only coming back to you guys. I took a nap. I don't know how I'm going to sleep at night because once I sleep in the afternoon, at night I cannot sleep. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.